Journey Junkies here. So we're glad we made a right choice today. We were either going to go to Leiper's Fork or Lynchburg. We've been there a few times and couldn't really decide where we wanted to go. Well, we decided to go to Lynchburg, and we're very happy that we did. So got a surprise for y'all in this video today. Met some wonderful, great, down-to-earth people.
Other 2UP travelers.
Yeah. We follow the video, oh my God, I can't talk. We follow their videos, have been following them on Facebook and Instagram as well. So yeah, you guys enjoy the video. You know, a little starstruck right now, but excited that we got to meet them and hang out with them and talk for a while. So it was a good time. Enjoy the video.
Are we live? We are live.
Turn around.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Laura, you guys get
I'm getting blinded. I think
all right, cool. So, 2UP Journey Junkies here. We made a trip out to Lynchburg, and look who we ran into. Absolutely amazing, 2LaneLife. So, yeah, just a little starstruck, you know the foursome bromance here. Pretty excited about it. But it's great meeting these guys. Watch their stuff all the time. Helps with my mental stuff, you know. Keep riding and everybody just ride, love life, and when you meet good people, it's amazing.
Well, we want to say thank you for your service in the Army for 10 years. Number one, number two.
Appreciate your support.
Yeah, you're doing 2UP riding, and we get a lot of comments on our channel about the wives and riding where people can go. So it's really cool because that's your channel, right?
Yep.
Yes.
Riding, finding great food.
Yep, great food. All the cool waterfalls around here. Anything scenic. I mean, just travel, putting miles on is what we're about. And yeah,
LC, what do you got to say back there?
I got to say, this is why we do this, because you travel America, you meet great people, and we always meet great people. We met some more today, and we're stoked.
So, hey, we say see y'all down the road. I don't know if you want that on your video.
But that's fine, yeah.
Let's do it.
We'll just see everybody everywhere whenever we can, and it's cool running into everybody.
Let's count it down, right?
3, 2, 1. See you down the road.